At this point, we have both of our side assemblies assembled with no glue and only one screw at the back of the armrest. Our objective at this point is to double check that everything fits together as it should and get these glued up. Now we're doing these one at a time, what we have previously assembled. And before I glue, I do want to sand off any pencil marks. And with all the pencil marks sanded off, we are ready to glue. Now once we start applying glue, we have to have everything perfect within 10 minutes. And we want enough clamps and support that everything will be held tight until the glue dries so that we don't have any gaps. We'll do the other side and let these sit for 24 hours. Now you will want to pay attention to the inside of the corresponding mortise hole location for our front and rear seat rails. We don't want too much glue to build up inside of here, otherwise those corresponding rails will not fit in. So we need to go back and clean that up as best as we can.